Hello, my darlings. This is Naushina Shaikh, your friendly pregnancy expert. So today we are going to discuss about fears related to food. What food you should be eating during pregnancy. So this is the most common question I get from most of my pregnant clients and pregnant women who approach me. So are you someone who is constantly scared about what food I should eat, what I shouldn't eat? Are you someone who doesn't know what food you should eat as per your month, as per your trimester? Are you someone, if you eat food, you're scared that you will get nausea and you will vomit it? Also, most importantly, you feel that the food you're eating is not enough. Maybe you need to eat for two people, or else you feel you're eating too much, you're gaining weight. Also, there are random people who give you random advices, and you want to try all those remedies, home remedy for bloating, for gas, this, that, and creates more havoc. Also, you're someone who goes on Google, YouTube, and you check random videos, random article, and you want to experiment, and that creates a big problem. Also, many times you feel that there is this risk of gestational diabetes because your gynec has told you, and you are scared to eat the food because you feel that you will get gestational diabetes and you are gaining weight. So many things, and you don't know what to do because you don't have the right person to handhold you, to guide you. You don't have a pregnancy expert, and you go to Google Baba and YouTube Guru. That doesn't work, right? So I'm here to help you, guide you. Now I'm going to share with you a story of one of my clients. Okay, she had come to me after she got pregnant, and she was pretty much in her second month of pregnancy, third month of pregnancy rather, and she came with this major phobia where she used to feel every time she eats her food, she is going to puke, she's going to vomit, and she used to wake up in the morning only thinking that she's going to do that. So she used to wake up in the morning with severe nausea. Imagine having this kind of phobia. She used to literally take tablet, one pill, before she had her meal. Before eating food, she used to take a tablet. And if the day she would forget, for some reason she's out in office, she did not carry the tablet for vomiting, she would puke the entire food out. Do you think this is a genuine case or it's psychological? It's a serious phobia, and I had to tackle this. I had to handle this because she used to wake up in the morning, she used to feel nausea, she would not even come attend the class. And that was something major. That's where, along with Garbha Sanskar, I started with Garbha Ahar, where I understood her food psychology and I understood what kind of food she's been eating, and I tapped on her and counseled, and I understood there is a lot of childhood trauma which was there, which was coming out related to she puking and all. There were lots of incidents. So it has to be multiple things which you need to understand, not just yoga. Yoga is one of the things, Garbha yoga. You need to understand Garbha ahar, food which is good for nurturing and nourishing for your baby. If you don't understand that, you will keep struggling through your pregnancy journey related to food related issues, indigestion, and many more such problems. So you need to understand the food psychology. What is good for you, what is good for somebody else may not be good for you, and you may not find it on Google. You need to find an expert who can create some customized program, a food a routine for you, which is good for your body, which nurtures you so that you can nurture and nourish your baby, right? You are different, your body is different, every pregnancy is different. You need to have a customized food plan, meal plan. Also understand, if you are eating 3 large meals, it's too much load you're putting on your body. Instead of that, how about dividing it into small portion sizes and 5-6 different meals so you can easily digest it. Now that's the great takeaway from this particular video which you're gonna get. All right. Also related to gestational diabetes, understand you're going to gain weight during pregnancy, right? That is something is not it's not possible. You can't avoid that, but you can't live in fear of gestational diabetes. You can manage it better, you can handle it better. You can check your hereditary in your family. If you had diabetes, then you have to be more careful, otherwise it's fine. Are you having a proper prenatal development program where you're practicing proper pregnancy yoga under guidance of pregnancy expert? Do you have a customized food plan from the guidance of an expert? Do you know, as per Ayurveda, what food is pathya apathya, which should not be consumed together? There is certain seasonal foods, certain foods as per ritu charya, which also creates discomfort. And as per your month, as per your trimester, certain food needs to be eaten. As per also whatever is local and seasonal, you need to understand wherever you are living, certain food may work for you better. One most important thing, please understand, do not overwhelm yourself. If you are somebody who's a working pregnant woman, you need to have a food plan which is manageable for you. Maybe you don't have a support system. You have to manage everything on your own. So you need to have these things in your mind when you are figuring things out. Okay, food psychology needs to be understood for you to manage your pregnancy better. I'll be sharing more details, important information with you, and I have put a lot of effort in my pregnancy yoga Garbha Sanskar program. That's the reason I'm doing this live workshop. So make sure you're there live to get all the knowledge, information, because if you miss out this opportunity, then you're going to continue doing what you're doing and struggling. So I'll see you live in the workshop. Be there. Till then, stay curious, stay excited, and let me know what are your fears related to food, related to what problems you have faced related to your pregnancy, any other problems also. Specifically, since this video is about food, you share it with me. And I would love to answer those questions, and I would like to answer those in my webinar when you come attend the webinar. Okay, any other questions you have related to your fears, related to pregnancy, please mention it. What problems you are facing, and what are your certain goals and desires related to your pregnancy and to your baby. I'd love to help you out with this. All right, till then, I will see you live in the workshop. Take care of yourself, my darling. See you live. Love and care, Naushina Shaikh. Thank you.